Hey, welcome to Plumbing Crash Test Show, and today we will test it MOEN kitchen faucet model you can see below. We will test it on this hydrojet where we can do up to 4,000 psi pressure, and we will do installation on this kitchen sink, completely clear. And you can see how easy to hard install faucet and how many time it takes to install that faucet, and what's happened when we put pressure up to 4,000 psi. Let's go. Okay, and we have this faucet series numbers you can see below. We bought in Home Depot. It's Home Depot series. Pretty good. Explain how to install faucet. It's good. You have online registration. Okay, and we have hose, we have brush nickel faucet, we have soap dispenser, but we not install that right now, and we have all parts what we needed. And we have all parts here already open. Screwdriver and crescent wrench, it's what the instruction said we have to have. And right now I will put timer. Okay, I'm tying by hand, but here we have used screwdriver to tie in more strong. And always kitchen like that, you don't have enough room, and you cannot do any quarter turn, and right now it's loose because you cannot install pretty good. Okay, but it's what we have right now. We have those inside. Normally when you do, first you have flash water and just after that to connect that head, but here is we do for timing. Okay, you have, don't forget to put this cover for doesn't damage your hose time when you use it. It stay over here. You just cover it for it doesn't break for this corner. Okay. Okay, just click it to install. Okay. Next step, you have installed this weight. You do somewhere before they crook it down, somewhere here. And right now what we have, this is pretty long enough. Use wrench what included on faucet. You cannot tighten in completely, and it's always loose, and I came many times to tighten in with homeowner or another plumber install. But what you have to use mason wrench for that faucet, and it takes extra time. Right now it's nice and tight and not loose anymore. Okay, and right now we're ready to put pressure. Let's see what's going on with the faucet open and close. And first what we do, we just turn on hydrojet, and after that we will turn on valve, and we will see what's going on with faucet, how's pressure and what breaking first. Okay, and we did first test when cartridge is open, and you see how much water leaking from the cartridge. And let's see what happened when we close cartridge and turn on full pressure. Let's go. Problem spout, it's not supply line. Supply lines keep pressure up to 1000 psi, and in your house you have 75 psi, just 75. and here they hold it up to 1000 psi. But problem area is cartridge, they start leaking first. Just when they open and we turn on, they start leaking. This is problem area what you have. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, put on the comments below what faucet what you want for retested, and see you on next video.